Hi, y'all. Sorry if there's talking in the background that you can hear, but needed to get these done, so I'm up in my bedroom. So, not the normal setting, but needed to get these videotaped even though I have kids at home doing homeschooling. So, if you hear noises, please forgive. It's COVID time, and we're having to work around each other. Today, we're going to be opening the Crystal Council box, and this is one of the boxes that I did decide to keep. I really like that they have the descriptions in the descriptions what the stones are for. I also really like that it's customizable. They send you out a link around the 9th of the month and you tell them what you want to work on and they send you the stones for that. Now I have had some subscribers or some commenters tell me that they feel like it's not really that customizable, that you end up getting the same thing above, a month before or a month after someone else. But that doesn't really bother me so far. The box has been really great for me and I haven't gotten any repeat stones and they've all been stones that I've loved to work with. They do have really good energy with them, which is an amazing piece too. So Crystal Council is a monthly subscription box. It can be purchased on 3 different levels. They have the Seeker Box, which is 1 crystal a month, which is $11. The Apprentice Box, which is 2 large crystals, 2 medium tumbled, and meditation tools and trinkets, which is and then they have the Master Box, which is what I get, which is 5 large crystals, 2 medium tumbled, meditation tools, trinkets, and a scroll, and it is customizable. And I do have a coupon code down in the bottom on the video description for $5 off. That hopefully should work for you if you decide to get this box. So last month, let's do a quick review of last month's box. In last month's box, we received the Moon Phase Calendar, the Chevron Amethyst, which was a medium palm stone, the lemon calcite, which was a large palm stone, which was absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I loved working with it. The green kyanite tumbled, the red quartz medium palm stone, and that was beautiful too. I love it when it has the clearer spots that you can look through it. Then we got the red jasper in the Tibetan bag that was tumbled, the hematite that was tumbled, and then the epidote, which was a tumbled round, and then the K2, which was tumbled. And it's been a great box. I've really enjoyed using it. And the stones, like I said, are always amazing in this box. So let's get right into this month's box and see what we got. So as you open your box, that's what it looks like inside. Got the newsletter on top and then your scroll. I'll show you that in a second. And then everything else is tucked down in there. So first we have here, it says Crystal Council February Newsletter. Love is upon us in the month of February. However, it isn't just significant for your significant other. Self-love is the most important energy that we can give. When we look inward and begin to heal our own emotional bodies, only then can we begin to share our love outwardly. Self-love is treating yourself with respect that you deserve both physically and emotionally. What we tell ourselves and put in our bodies each day has a profound impact on our energetic state for the day. Tell yourself I love you more often. Then it has lunar events, the full snow moon on February 27th, which is this weekend, although I'm not sure when this will get posted. And then zodiac transitions, February 19th for Pisces. Then it has on the back here, talks a little bit about incense holder and sticks. And so it says we worked with a small business out of St. Louis, Missouri to create these Buddha head incense holders. Bundles of wild berry incense were included to light and stick in your incense holder. So let me pull those out first. So here's the little incense sticks. Wild berry. Oh, they smell a little perfumey. I'm not big on perfumey smelling. I like the natural oils. but maybe I'll let them air out a little bit, because sometimes, the stick incense, just kind of open the bag and let it smell nice in the room, and then it will mellow it out enough to be able to light it. And they're little mini cones, and there are 5 of them. So let's see if we can find her. It looks like the little Buddha head incense holder. Aw, pretty. I'll probably paint it gold. Pretty sure. Yeah, I'll paint it gold, because that's really pretty. But, it's just kind of, the clay's just fired and it's just white. And so I think it'll be prettier if I paint it pretty gold. Maybe even put some sparkles on it, just to make it really cool as I drop it. Thank goodness I was on carpet so it didn't break. Very nice. I like that. So little Buddha, and then the incense, and the incense go on his third eye, which kind of makes it cute and cool. Now let's look at the scroll. So here's what the scroll looks like. And it goes through all the stones that you have. So it says, hello, Karma of Ominit. As everyone knows, February is the month of love. It's a time to celebrate with those around you and appreciate their company. However, it's also a time to practice self-love. Self-love is something that we here at Crystal Council emphasize on a daily basis so that you can grow as an individual. But now we would like to challenge you a step further. In addition to giving love to others and yourself, spread it to the world. Make it a priority starting now that you will spread love each day to those around you. The world needs it now more than ever, so let's start this movement together. This month, we've crafted your box around opportunities, courage, knowledge, intuition, protection, and self-discovery. Okay, let's see. Ooh.
This is a beautiful Galina, and I've had Galina before, but only the Galina just like in a little chunk, and so this is really pretty that it's all throughout the rock. Galina's heavy weight gives it a powerful grounding ability that activates and opens up the root chakra. This stone roots you and your vibrations down to earth and harnesses the personal power that exists within. Galina will teach you how to stay motivated and increase your drive, focus, and determination to success with whatever your desire is. Next, we have this beautiful raw blue Aventurine. Blue Aventurine is a psychic activator and helps one open up their third eye. This process doesn't just happen overnight, as one must work with the stone repeatedly in order to fully tap into its interdimensional potential. Place this stone over your third eye during deep meditation sessions and you will begin to feel a tingling sensation. This effect will start at your forehead and slowly begin to imbue your whole body. The energy you are experiencing during this time is here to help relax your physical body while elevating your consciousness to new heights. And I've never heard of this before, but next we have an Arfvedsonite. Arfvedsonite. And I did have a little bit of problems figuring out some of these stones, so if you think I got them wrong, let me know. Arfvedsonite has a supercharged energy within capable of balancing your emotional body while still maintaining a cool collective mentality. This is perfect in times of distress where one must be an adult and handle their responsibilities with a poker face. It pushes one to internalize their feelings until they are in a safe space or with a loved one where they can be vocalized. Doing so helps maintain an image of strength while allowing your subconscious to remain in deep thought. During this time, one may come to the realization that it is a waste of time, energy, and emotion to hold on to something so minute. This will cause a natural release of negativity, a self-purification experience, and give you the ability to laugh or talk about it afterwards with ease. And next, we have a Dumortierite, Dumortierite. I'd never heard of this one either. Dumortierite is a highly vibrational stone that was named after the famous French paleontologist E. Dumortierite. This stone vibrates highly in the third eye chakra and helps activate one's psychic abilities. These abilities can range from simple actions such as remembering one's dreams better to lucid dreaming, astral projection, connection with higher realms, synchronicities, channeling, and even forms of ESP. We highly recommend this stone for anyone who is a student or is learning in any field, as Dumortierite helps one retain information, expand our mental capacity, and raise one's intuition. And next, we have a black opal. Now, there isn't a whole lot of opalescence in this, but by process of elimination, this is the one that needs to be the opal. And I did see a couple of little flashes in there of opal, you know, the iridescent opal look. Black opal offers up complete protection of one's emotional body and aura. This opal variety provides one with an etheric shield against negative energy or another person's emotional toxicity. This stone pushes one to stay calm, relaxed, and stay strong in uncomfortable environments or situations that will usually tend to arise one's anxiety. Take this stone with you on new and exciting adventures to help prevent the anxiousness that would usually come along when trying new things. And next we have this gorgeous tiger iron sphere. Isn't that pretty? It's not really completely round. It's kind of almost like a palm stone, but not quite. But oh, so pretty. Look at those colors. Tiger iron contains 3 mineral energies into one. Hematite, red jasper, and tiger's eye all form what we know as tiger iron, which dates back to its formation 2.2 billion years ago. Our root, sacral, and solar plexus chakras become activated and aligned, helping anyone's desires come to fruition. Hematite helps provide mental clarity while keeping them grounded to this earthly plane. Hematite is like a magnet, and it attracts similar energies that you radiate. Red jasper pushes us into physical action, raising our strength, focus, drive, and determination. Tiger's eye will imbue your aura with rays of self-confidence and strength, allowing even the longest task to be completed. When working with this stone, one will feel a renewed sense of strength and confidence in themselves.
Now, the only thing that I really wish they would do in this box is label the crystals. It's not that hard to figure it out, but that is the only little piece that I would like if they would do is, you know, when you have the bundles and stuff like that, it'd be really nice if they put a label on it, so that especially beginning crystal people wouldn't have to try and look all these up and figure out which one is which, because there isn't pictures on the scroll. Oh no, look, my tower has a chip, it broke. Darn it. I'll have to write them and send them a picture, but yeah, side shipped out of it when it shipped. Still gorgeous though.
Green onyx carries with it the primary properties of all forms of onyx, which are known for strength, willpower, and discipline. This green variety stimulates these traits directly from the heart. It's able to soothe one's heart, bringing one to a calm emotional state. This stone also works well in dispelling negativity from the user and their environment due to its relation to onyx, which is one of the strongest protection stones in the mineral kingdom. So in this box, we got the tiger iron, the green onyx, the Galina, the Dumortierite, I'm never going to get that right, the Aventurine, the black opal, and the blue Aventurine. Ah, such beautiful stones.
So, 2 thumbs up, some great gems. There's at least 3 in there that I'm super excited to work on. What gems did you like the best? What was your favorite crystal? And how would you want to utilize it? Why was it your favorite? Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to our awesome holistic healing community. Remember to write me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this box or just how you're doing. Tell me something about you. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is purple. Purple and teal are my 2 favorite colors. Have an amazing day or evening, no matter what time it is, where you are in the world. It's been really exciting to see some of you that are outside of the United States. We have probably about 30% of our subscribers outside of the United States, and that's just amazing that we're connecting with people from all over the world. So remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.